Welcome back. In
Welcome.
this full guide 2026, I'll show you how to fix Krisp AI update issues. If Krisp AI won't update, gets stuck during the update process, fails to install the latest version, or keeps showing update errors, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several simple solutions to get Krisp AI updated successfully. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Since Krisp AI downloads update files from its servers, a slow or interrupted connection can cause the update to fail. Try refreshing your connection and then check for updates again. Next, completely close Krisp AI before starting the update. If the application is still running in the background, the update may not install properly. On Windows, you can also check the Task Manager to make sure all Krisp processes are closed before reopening the app. Now open Krisp AI and look for the *** check for updates ** option in the settings menu. If a new version is available, start the update and wait until it finishes. Avoid closing the application or restarting your computer while the update is in progress. If the update still doesn't work, restart your computer and try again. Temporary system issues can sometimes prevent software updates from completing successfully. Another helpful solution is to temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall software. Some security programs may block update files from downloading or installing correctly. Once the update is complete, you can safely enable your protection again. You should also verify that your operating system is up to date. Running an outdated version of Windows or macOS can sometimes create compatibility problems with newer versions of Krisp AI. If none of these solutions work, uninstall your current version of Krisp AI and download the latest installer from the official Krisp website. Installing the newest version manually often resolves update